Silence is one of the most misunderstood forces in human life. From a young age, we are taught that silence means nothing is happening. If someone is quiet, we assume they are unsure, weak, or lacking confidence. In conversations, silence is often treated as something uncomfortable, something that must be filled immediately with words, opinions, or explanations. Yet this belief hides a deeper truth. Silence is not the absence of power. Silence is where real power begins. When everything around you is noisy, the mind becomes scattered. Thoughts overlap, emotions react without reflection, and attention is pulled in many directions at once. Silence interrupts this chaos. The moment you step into silence, even briefly, the mind starts to slow down. You may notice restlessness at first because the mind is addicted to stimulation. But if you stay with silence instead of escaping it, awareness starts to grow. You begin to hear not external sounds, but your own inner movements, thoughts, impulses, fears, and desires that were previously hidden by noise. Silence creates space, and space is essential for clarity. Just as a lake must be still to reflect the sky clearly, the mind must become quiet to reflect truth. In silence, you are no longer reacting automatically to the world. You are observing it. This shift from reaction to observation is the foundation of inner mastery. Instead of being pushed and pulled by every situation, you start responding with intention. Another important aspect of silence is that it reconnects you with yourself. Modern life constantly pulls attention, outward notifications, conversations, expectations, and endless information. Over time, this disconnects you from your inner center. Silence reverses this process. When you allow yourself to be silent, you return to a state of presence. You begin to feel grounded, whole, and complete without needing external validation. Silence also reveals truth about who you are. Words can be used to hide, exaggerate, or escape. Silence removes these masks. In quiet moments, you cannot run from your own reality. This can feel uncomfortable at first, but it is also liberating. Through silence, you meet yourself honestly, without roles or performances. This honesty is the starting point of real growth. Most importantly, silence is not empty. It is alive with insight, intuition, and understanding. It is the background from which wisdom emerges. Those who learn to value silence discover that it is not something to fear or avoid, but something to cultivate. In silence, you do not lose your voice. You find its true source. The modern world conditions us to believe that speed equals intelligence and constant expression equals strength. We are encouraged to respond instantly, to share opinions immediately, and to explain ourselves at every turn. Silence, in contrast, is often seen as hesitation or defeat. But this conditioning keeps the mind trapped in a cycle of endless reaction. When you react without pause, you are not acting from awareness. You are acting from habit. Noise feeds restlessness. Every sound, message, and demand competes for attention, leaving little room for reflection. Over time, this creates a state of mental pressure where thoughts never fully settle. In such a state, emotions take control easily. Anger rises quickly. Anxiety lingers longer, and clarity becomes rare. Silence breaks this cycle. It creates a pause, and that pause is where power lives. When you choose silence instead of immediate reaction, something subtle but profound happens. You gain distance from your emotions. This distance does not mean suppression or denial. It means you are no longer inside the emotion, being driven by it. You are looking at it. Whether it is anger, fear, or excitement, silence allows the emotion to arise without forcing you to act on it. In that moment, you reclaim control. Silence also reveals how often words are used defensively. Many people speak not to communicate truth, but to protect their image, justify themselves, or win approval. The urge to explain or argue usually comes from insecurity. Silence exposes this pattern. When you stop reacting verbally, you see how unnecessary many words truly are. You realize that not every thought deserves expression, and not every situation requires your energy. Another overlooked truth is that silence strengthens inner discipline. It trains you to sit with discomfort instead of escaping it through speech or distraction. This discipline builds emotional maturity. Over time, you become less impulsive and more deliberate. Your responses carry weight because they are chosen, not forced. Silence also changes how others perceive you. A person who does not rush to speak appears grounded and self-assured. Their words, when they do speak, feel intentional and powerful. This is not manipulation, but presence. Silence allows you to listen fully, understand deeply, and respond accurately rather than reflexively. Most importantly, silence reconnects you with choice. In constant noise, life feels like something that happens to you. In silence, you realize you always have a moment to choose how you respond. That moment is small, but it changes everything. Mastering silence is not about withdrawing from the world. It is about engaging with it from a place of control, clarity, and inner strength. One of the most overlooked powers of silence is how deeply it sharpens perception. Most people believe understanding comes from thinking more or analyzing harder. In reality, true perception comes from quiet attention. When the mind is noisy, it filters reality through assumptions, expectations, and emotional reactions. Silence removes these filters and allows you to see what is actually happening, not what you assume is happening. When you become silent, your senses naturally become more alert. You start noticing small details that were previously ignored, subtle changes in facial expressions, shifts in tone, pauses between words, and the emotional undercurrents beneath conversations. These details reveal more truth than spoken language ever could. Silence trains you to read what is unspoken, which is often where the real message exists. This heightened perception also applies inwardly. In silence, you notice patterns in your own mind. You become aware of recurring thoughts, unconscious fears, and automatic judgments. Instead of being lost in them, you observe them. This observation weakens their control over you. What you can clearly see no longer has the same power to dominate you. Silence turns the mind from a battlefield into a space of awareness. Another hidden aspect of silence is that it slows time psychologically. When the mind is constantly talking, time feels rushed and fragmented. In silence, moments feel fuller and more complete. This expanded sense of time allows you to respond with precision rather than urgency. You are no longer pressured to act simply because something is happening. You act because it is the right moment. Silence also deepens listening. Most people listen while preparing their next response. True listening requires silence not just externally but internally. When your inner dialogue stops, you hear others fully. You understand not only their words but their intention, their emotional state, and their underlying needs. This level of listening builds trust and insight, both in relationships and in leadership. In social situations, silence can reveal power dynamics clearly. Those who speak constantly often reveal insecurity or a need for control. Those who are comfortable with silence demonstrate inner stability. By staying silent, you can observe how others behave when there is no verbal noise to hide behind. This observation gives you strategic awareness without confrontation. Ultimately, silence transforms perception into wisdom. It allows you to see reality as it is, not as you want it to be, or fear it might be. This clarity becomes a quiet advantage in every area of life decision making, relationships, creativity, and self-understanding. When you master silence, you do not just see more, you see deeper. Silence is not only a tool for clarity, it is also a powerful form of protection. Every interaction, every conversation, and every unnecessary explanation costs energy. Most people are unaware of how much of their emotional and mental strength is drained through constant talking, arguing, and justifying themselves. Silence, when used consciously, becomes a boundary that preserves your inner resources. Words have weight. Each word carries intention, emotion, and attention. When you speak without awareness, you give pieces of yourself away. You reveal your inner state, your doubts, your plans, and sometimes your weaknesses to people who may not value or respect them. Silence prevents this leakage. It allows you to choose carefully what deserves expression and what does not. This choice alone builds inner strength. One of the reasons silence feels uncomfortable is because it removes the urge to seek validation. Many conversations are not about communication but about reassurance. People talk to be seen, approved of, or accepted. Silence challenges this dependency. When you remain silent, you stop feeding the need for external confirmation. Over time, this builds self-trust and emotional independence. Silence also protects you from unnecessary conflict. Many arguments begin not because of real issues, but because of impulsive words spoken in emotional states. A single sentence can escalate tension, damage relationships, or create long-lasting consequences. Silence creates a pause that allows emotions to settle before damage is done. It is not avoidance, but wisdom. Another overlooked benefit of silence is how it strengthens focus. Mental energy is limited. When it is scattered through constant conversation and mental noise, productivity suffers. Silence gathers this energy inward. It allows you to concentrate deeply, think clearly, and act with precision. This focused energy is what separates effective action from wasted effort in social and professional environments. Silence can also act as a form of authority. A person who does not feel the need to fill every gap with words appears grounded and confident. Their presence feels solid. When they speak, others listen because their words are rare and intentional. Silence, in this sense, commands respect without demanding it. Most importantly, silence protects your inner world. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts, struggles, or dreams. Silence gives you the power to keep your inner life sacred. This protection is not about secrecy or fear, but about self-respect. When you value your inner space, you naturally guard it. Through silence, you learn that strength does not come from constant expression, but from restraint. It comes from knowing when to speak and when not to. Mastering this balance allows you to move through life with greater stability, clarity, and quiet confidence. One of the most misunderstood aspects of silence is its ability to communicate more powerfully than words. People often assume communication is about speaking, explaining, and persuading, but much of human interaction happens beyond language. Silence speaks through presence, pause, mature timing, and emotional control. When used consciously, it can shift dynamics without a single sentence being spoken. Calm silence has a unique effect on ego. In heated situations, people expect resistance, argument, or defense. When none comes, the ego feels unsettled. Silence removes the familiar pattern of conflict and forces the other person to face themselves. This is why silence often feels intimidating or uncomfortable to those who rely on dominance or emotional reactions. It offers no handle to grab onto. Silence also signals self-control. Anyone can react emotionally, but it takes inner strength to remain composed. When you stay silent instead of defending yourself impulsively, you demonstrate that your self-worth does not depend on immediate approval or victory. This quiet confidence is deeply felt by others, even if they cannot explain it. In relationships, silence can create depth when words would only create noise. Not every feeling needs to be verbalized instantly. Sometimes silence allows emotions to settle and understanding to emerge naturally. Shared silence can be more intimate than conversation because it requires comfort with presence rather than performance. In leadership and influence, silence carries authority. Leaders who speak constantly dilute their message. Those who use silence strategically create anticipation and focus. Their words land with impact because they are not drowned in excess. Silence becomes a frame that gives meaning to speech. Another overlooked truth is that silence exposes manipulation. When you do not respond immediately, you prevent others from controlling the pace of interaction. Manipulation relies on urgency and emotional pressure. Silence dissolves both. It gives you time to observe, think, and respond from clarity instead of obligation. Silence also communicates boundaries without confrontation. You do not need to explain or justify every decision. By remaining silent, you show that you are comfortable with others not fully understanding you. This independence often earns respect, even from those who disagree with you. Most importantly, silence communicates depth. In a world obsessed with constant expression, quiet presence stands out. It suggests thoughtfulness, inner stability, and awareness. People sense that something is contained, not missing. This is why silence often feels powerful rather than empty. When you understand this, you stop using words to prove yourself. You allow silence to speak for you. And in doing so, you realize that true influence does not come from saying more, but from being more present. Mastering the power of silence is not about withdrawing from life or becoming distant from others. It is about learning how to use silence as a conscious practice rather than an accidental state. Silence becomes powerful only when it is intentional. This begins with small, simple moments where you choose awareness over reaction. One of the first practices is learning to pause. Before responding to a message, a question, or a challenge, allow a brief moment of silence. This pause creates space between stimulus and response. In that space, you regain choice. Instead of speaking from habit or emotion, you speak from clarity. Over time, this pause becomes natural, and your responses become more grounded and effective. Another important practice is spending time alone without distractions. Silence cannot teach you if it is constantly interrupted by noise, screens, or stimulation. Even a few minutes a day of quiet presence can change how your mind functions. At first, the mind may resist. Thoughts will rush in and restlessness may appear. This is not failure. It is the mind releasing accumulated noise. Stay with it and silence will slowly reveal its depth. Silence owls. Becomes a guide in decision making. When faced with a choice, instead of immediately seeking opinions or reassurance, sit with the question in silence. Allow the mental noise to settle. Often, clarity arises not as a loud answer, but as a calm knowing. This intuitive clarity is more reliable than impulsive thinking. Practicing silence also means becoming comfortable with not explaining yourself. You do not need to justify every boundary, decision, or change in direction. Silence allows you to trust your inner authority. This trust builds confidence that is quiet but unshakable. Another key aspect of mastering silence is integrating it into daily interactions. Listen fully without preparing your response. Let conversations breathe. Allow pauses without rushing to fill them. These small shifts transform how you relate to others. People feel heard and you feel centered. Over time, silence becomes less of a technique and more of a state of being. You carry it with you even while speaking and acting. This inner silence keeps you steady in chaos and calm under pressure. It reminds you that peace is not found by controlling the world, but by mastering your inner response to it. In the end, silence is not emptiness. It is presence. It is the foundation from which wisdom, strength, and authenticity arise. When you truly master silence, you realize that it is not something you practice occasionally. It becomes who you are.